I'm Sarai. The thing that we value the most is definitely family time. My husband and I reside in Gilroy, California. However, my family is located in San Diego and his in Indiana. These two locations are super distant from each other, but yet it means a lot to us that we visit both sides of the family. Aside from that, my husband and I like to take trips where it's just the two of us to get away from work and other responsibilities and really just focus on our marriage. So, as you can see, it can be quite the expense. Therefore, throughout the year, we're intentional in saving money. And one of the ways we do that is by maximizing the use of the things that we already have. And today I want to share with you my candle. I love having candles all over my home. However, when I'm done with them, I don't just want to throw it away. I really want to maximize the use of it because it's a sturdy container. So in this case, I used cotton balls to remove my eye makeup. However, you can put in, whatever serves your needs. And these containers can easily range from like $13 to $15. So instead of buying a jar that I don't really need, I can allocate those $15 to what matters the most, which is our family time. So today I want to leave you with this. Every day we're enticed with advertisements to buy. And trust me, it can be really easy to spend. Money goes like this. However, I really encourage you to maximize the use of the things that you already have and invest your money into what matters the most to you. Thank you.